Hey, have you been to Jodhpur? If yes, then you must have heard about Mandore. Today, let me take you with me to Mandore, a place filled with rich history and countless fascinating stories. First, we buy the entry ticket, which cost only 30 rupees. You can park your vehicle right here, and from this place, the path into the garden started. Let's walk in. As we enter, we are welcomed by a beautifully lit pathway that looks absolutely stunning. People often come here for evening walks, jogging, and simply to enjoy peace of mind. You will also spot many monkeys around, but don't worry, they are friendly and harmless. Up ahead, we find an information board that shows details of all the places to visit and the way to reach them. Just next to it, there is a complete stone map of Mandore Garden, an impressive piece of work. You will also see folk musicians sharing tales of Rajasthan's warriors and legendary stories through their music. Walking further, we come across the Star Park, a classic four-part garden layout. Ahead is the Ajit Pool, which leads us to the statue of warriors, the Hall of Fame, and the Hall of Heroes. Soon after, we arrive at the temple of the folk deity Kala Gora Beruji. Moving ahead, there is the Mandore Museum, preserving the history and heritage of the ancient place. The area around it is full of food stalls, and nearby stands the beautifully Khamba Mahal. Now we enter the main garden, filled with a variety of flowers that brings a sense of deep calm and serenity. We also come across several cenotaphs, a beautifully carved structures that hold historical importance. At night, the lighting enhances the entire atmosphere, giving the garden a magical glow. There is also a night show that tells the real stories of Mandore. And to clarify, there is no connection between Mandore and Ravan. Those are just myths. The real origin of the name comes from a saint named Marwar. That's how this place came to be known as Mandore. So, if you are planning a trip to Jodhpur, make sure Mandore is in our itinerary. Thank you for watching. Keep walking, keep exploring, keep learning.